Today we'll talk about how can you enable accepted request notifications on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on the sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on notifications here. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to accepted request, clicking this sign. So like you see here, this color here show for us, that's mean accepted request enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.